Meaning of Galahad.
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 Galahad. Galahad is a name of Welsh origin that means pure or noble. In Arthurian legend, Galahad was the son of Sir Lancelot and the only knight who was pure enough to achieve the Holy Grail. He is often depicted as the epitome of chivalry and honor. The name Galahad has since come to symbolize qualities such as purity, goodness, and idealism. It is a popular name for both people and fictional characters and is often used as a synonym for a person with noble qualities or a strong moral code.